You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is another trash to treasure video. I picked up this dry sink for $10 at a garage sale a couple months ago, and I am going to be redoing it now. I'm almost positive it's gonna go in our upstairs bathroom. If not, it will probably just go in our garage. I don't know. I'm hoping it can go in our bathroom. I'm hoping it'll fit. I can't wait to show you guys this dry sink when I'm all done. I hope you like it. So this is what the dry sink looked like before everything, and now that I'm coming back on this video, I realize that the door does not go on all the way, or it does, but there's always like a tiny gap on the left hand side, and I am so glad that I went back and looked over this. So this is what everything looks like before. It is in good shape. I like it. I didn't really have a problem with it. I didn't like the color, and guess what, you guys? I kind of went back to that same color but a little bit darker. But the first thing I'm going to do is just take all of these screws out, and yeah, I had trouble doing this. They were all different sizes, and I had to use like 3 different screwdrivers to take all these little screws out and put them back in. It was insane. And you are definitely going to be seeing me clean this out quite a few times. I am not sure why I cleaned this out before I did all this sanding and tearing apart, but I did anyways. I cleaned it up and it was really gross. It kind of had this weird smell, and normally I smell everything. Obviously, I didn't stick my head inside of this cupboard and sniff it before I bought it. You guys didn't check out my last thrift store, like giant haul. Make sure you do, because I say some really weird stuff through that whole thing. But the first thing I wanted to do was take this wallpaper off. I thought it was wallpaper, and I'm not really sure what it is. It might almost be like tile, like old tile, I think. It was so rough getting up. I had a razor blade, I had a putty knife, I cried a little bit, and eventually it came out. I didn't really cry, but I was getting pretty frustrated. This actually took about 2 hours to get up and off, so I was definitely hoping that this was going to turn out the way I wanted to, especially after that. And I'm definitely going to say all my lessons were learned after I recently did my hutch video. If you guys want to check that out too, I'll leave that link in the description box. But I didn't sand, I didn't prime, I didn't do any of that, and it was a mess. So I did some light sanding, and I also primed this bad boy as well.
Around you, we could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue.
This did also have wheels on the bottom. I thought I was going to actually keep those, and I changed my mind, and I didn't even know what the bottom of this looked like. It looks like it just had a piece of wood just nailed to the bottom, and I'm just going to leave it there. I'm totally just going to leave it there. It's not really bothering me, and nobody can see the bottom. But I did take the wheels off, and those were disgusting and destroyed. And here's me showing off the Kiehl's All-Purpose 2 water-based primer. And like I said, I'm just priming the whole entire thing, and you will see some cute little shots of Presley. She was napping while I was doing this, and then she ended up waking up, and I let her help me, and she thought that was so awesome. And for those of you who have been watching me for a while, you guys know I am obsessed with the Teamy Blends tea. I didn't even realize I had this sitting around, but I needed some energy, so I had it sitting there until I could start drinking it, and this gives me so much energy. I actually started doing the 30-day detox again. I think I just purchased the 90-day detox. I'm telling you, it helps with upset stomachs. It is a life changer. I can't believe I stopped using it for a little while. I definitely regret that because it helps my stomach from getting upset all the time. But I absolutely swear by Teamy. If you want to check them out, I have a coupon code for 25% off, $39.99, or your $39 purchase. Yeah, 25% off your $39 purchase using the code KK25. This is not sponsored or anything. I just had that sitting there, and if anybody was curious, but I swear by it, and I have been drinking it for the last couple weeks, and you can totally tell a difference with your energy boost. And this is how I stay alive, you guys, is with energy boost. And then now you can see that I am still priming, and this is when Presley woke up and she was waiting to help me paint, and I didn't think that nothing could go wrong when it came to priming, so I let her help, and she had a good time. You might not be able to tell because she just woke up, but she loves painting and doing crafts and things like that, so she loved helping do this.
It's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one.
And then this is what I started using is this Age Gray and this chalk paint, and I was spray painting everything this color, and I really wanted to whitewash really bad because I've never done it before. I flipped this over on the side because I had somebody tell me a while ago that your spray paint will not drip if it can't go anywhere. And whoever said that, thank you, because they were definitely right. So that's why I tipped it over on the side. And then when that dried, I was doing the sides, and I decided not to do the back because I didn't really think it was necessary since it was just gonna go against a wall. And after this, I took my Kills white chalk paint and a mason jar and a brush, and I did half chalk paint and half water so I could do a whitewash. I never knew how messy something like this was. I'm not really sure if I should have done this with gray. Maybe if I would have done it with the green that I ended up using in the end, it would have looked better. This made paint splatters everywhere. It was a mess, and the top part was dripping down the sides. I took a rag and was just wiping it down, and I think I was doing it right, but when it was done, I just did not like the color. Like, not that gray you can really hate and white you can't really hate, but I did not like it. I thought it was boring. I thought it was plain. I thought it just looked dirty. I was so unhappy with it. So I had some spray paint in my craft room that I bought quite a while ago for different crafts, maybe a year or so ago. And that is what I ended up using. But I did just want to show you guys, this is what it looked like. This is why I changed it, because I did not like it. This is called Satin Jade, and I absolutely love this color. It almost reminds me of an Easter egg. And you can see I went back to the same color this was before, except a little bit darker. But I really do like this color way better. I could have had this project done in 2 days, but since I change my mind all the time, I just went with this. And I was glad that this piece wasn't that big, so I was able to spray paint it. And I am way more happier with this color. And then I did spray it down with polyacrylic. I don't know why I didn't show that because I'm pretty sure I videotaped it, but who knows. But I just did take a piece of sandpaper and just roughed it up a little bit. Oh, that's why, because I'm sanding it down before I use the polyacrylic. I am just crazy, I guess. But I just wanted to rough it up a little bit and show some of the white, because obviously there is white back there because that's what I painted beforehand. And I'm just using this polyacrylic clear satin in a spray paint, and this is way nice. It dries super fast, and I was lucky that it was 65 degrees because I don't know when other times I would have to do it, because it is going to start being 40 degrees all the time here. And then once everything was dry, I did start putting the hardware and the knobs back on, and I did end up spray painting them with just the 97-cent spray paint from Walmart, and probably wasn't like the best idea because once I was putting the screwdriver in, all the paint started coming off, but anyways, I like it, so that's okay. And I like that I did black. I thought about maybe I should switch it to silver, but I definitely like the black.
You touch me in a way that makes me shake.
And then now I'm just going to be adding some contact paper. I got this from a company to do a review on quite a while ago. I cannot remember what company. I want to say it's possibly Fancy Fix. But I am just going to be adding this to the top, and I think this looks really good with the color that I spray painted. The color just does not do justice around here, but you can kind of tell that it is a little bit darker, and I could spray painted the inside just a little bit, but I didn't think the inside really mattered because we're going to be sticking it in our bathroom, and I'm hoping to use it for like extra like shampoos, conditioners, and bath toys, things like that that just kind of lay around.
Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine.
And And this is what it looks like when it is all done. You can see a little bit of the white where I did some sanding. I just wanted a tiny bit of white showing through. And I just kind of decorated it with some things I already had and some fun bath bombs in a vase from the Dollar Tree. I think it just looks so cute. And Presley loves using bath bombs in the bathtub. And I love the hardware that I spray painted black. I think that looks really good as well. But if you guys like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love to hit that subscribe button down below. And let me know if you guys like these trash to treasure videos. These have got to be still my absolute favorite ones to film and do. So that's it, you guys. See you in the next video. Bye!